Hey guys, I just want to make a video on this engine I just got a while back, and I got it running pretty good. I had to clean the carburetor, and this got the updraft carburetor, so I didn't make another video on it. As you see here, it's got regular updraft carburetor. I had to put new fuel line on it. And you notice this one, you gotta wrap a rope around it. It's supposed to have a recoil, but it's missing, so somebody set it up like that, and it works. Yeah, I got it running pretty good, but ran into a little problem, as you see here when I made the part of it running on the video here. It kind of threw a rod on me. So you'll see what happened there in the video here. I guess it just threw a rod, I guess. Yeah, it's got quite a bit of carbon buildup, which I expected that. But one problem, I only got one valve moving, the other valve's stuck, so I don't know what's going on with that. I don't know if the camshaft's broke or what. We'll get ready to find out though. Well, after fighting to get the flywheel off, I finally got the crankshaft out. Now, the camshaft ain't broke. I don't know if it's bent or not. I'm going to find out here in a minute. But there's the broken rod. They usually break right on the crankshaft, not like this. Bent oil slinger. I'm going to get this cleaned up a little bit, a chunk of metal there. And that one valve finally closed. I think something got in, a piece of metal got stuck between the camshaft and one of the valve tappets there. Alright guys, so I got it all the way apart here. The clip that holds your wrist pin was loose. It was laying down in the bottom here. That's what's left of the rod there. Then I got looking, so I took the head off. You seen that one valve was up. I said, well, that's probably a broken camshaft or something like that. No, the camshaft was fine. It's not bent, but look at that. The rod hit right there. Busted out where the valve tappets go. Probably bent that valve, I would say. That piece is just laying in there. So I don't think I'll be able to fix this one. If there's just a hole in the block or something, I could probably fix that. But being that bad, I don't think there's any way to get the valve tappets to run true again. That's going to be the main problem. But the oil gets in there anyway, that wouldn't be a problem. But just the passages for the valve guides there, valve tappets would be the problem. But I'm going to find out for sure. But yeah, they're get that out of there. Work right out of there. All that'd have to be straightened or cut out, and then you're gonna have an oil problem, get too much oil in there. I don't see no way of getting in there to weld it up or anything, so probably gonna have to junk this one, I'd say. It's bad. But we'll do an update if I can rebuild it. If somehow I can rebuild it, will be a video, of course. But also another thing, it even bent the sleeve right there, the cast iron sleeve in the cylinder. So I'd have to have a new sleeve put in it, and it's got a bad score in it. I mean, a bad score. That's probably why it was smoking so bad. And I got looking at the piston here, and it says 0.010, 10,000th oversized piston. If you look in the wrist, where the wrist pin goes, you can see that it wore out there where that clip came loose, and the rod was sitting there, the wrist pin was sitting there like that, moving it. Probably put the connecting rod in a bind at an angle, and that's why it blew up. But if I'd not run it so much and tore it down to see why it was knocking so much, I'd probably been able to save it. So, but I didn't think it would do this. I just wasn't planning on throwing the rod and blowing it up. But I guess there ain't gonna be no fixing this block. I'm gonna save all the usable parts for that other 8 horsepower I got, like all this here, and the crankshaft's probably still good, and the camshaft is. So I got spare parts for my other 8 horsepower now. So. For right now, that's where we stand on this one. So, if you got any questions or comments, leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. So, thanks for watching.